Salam, hi there, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. We have made 10 videos so far, so it means 100 vocabulary words. So in this video, you have a chance to review or maybe learn those 100 vocabulary words. First, we'll show you week 1, week 2, week 3, and then so on until week 10. Remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build the vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of those 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And without further ado, let's get started. Salam, hi there, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video series, we will teach you 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every Tuesday, we'll teach you 10 more new vocabulary words, and in total, we'll have 500. And on Fridays, we'll upload a video about the specific topic like we had about the family members, the colors, or the numbers. Sometimes I don't know how to pronounce a word in English, even if I know the meaning, because English is not my first language. That's why I go to dictionary.cambridge.org to see how to pronounce some words, and you can see in British or American English the pronunciation. So that's why my brother Hassan and I, we decided to make this video series for you, for people who are learning Tajik. So you will not only learn 500 most common words and phrases, but also you'll learn how to pronounce them correctly. Alright, let's get started. Our first word is hello. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. Salam. Hello in Tajik, Assalamu alaikum. Some people say Assalamu alaikum. And you can also say salam, just salam. Okay, and here's a sentence. Hello, I'm back. Salam, man bargashtam. Okay, salam, man bargashtam. Excuse me. Mebakhshed. Bubakhshed. Excuse me, mebakhshed or bubakhshed. Excuse me for being late. Mebakhshed ki der kardam. Mebakhshed ki der kardam. I'm sorry. Uzr or bakhshish. I'm sorry. Uzr, bakhshish. I'm sorry for what I've done. Az kori kardam pushaymonam. Az kori kardam pushaymonam. And in Tajikistan, uzr, bakhshish, mebakhshed or bubakhshed, they are pretty much the same, so you can use them interchangeably. Like I'm sorry or excuse me, they are almost the same. Good night. Khobi khush. Khobi khush. Good night. Khobi khush. Now I shall go to sleep. Good night. Aknun man khob mikunam. Khobi khush. Aknun man khob mikunam. Khobi khush. Nice to meet you. Az shinosoi bo shumo khursandam. Az shinosoi bo shumo khursandam. Az shinosoi bo shumo khursandam. So, nice to meet you, Azizjon. Az shinosoi bo shumo khursandam, Azizjon. Azizjon, it's a male name. Az shinosoi bo shumo khursandam, Azizjon. How are you? Shumo chechel. Shumo chechel. Shumo chechel. How are you? So, how are you, my friend? Shumo chechel dostam. Shumo chechel dostam. Yes. Ha. Bale. Yes. Ha or bale. Yes, let's play a new game. Bale, بیایید یک بازی نو بازی کنیم. بله، بیایید یک بازی نو بازی کنیم. No. نه. No. نه. نه. No, I don't need it. نه، به من لازم نیست. نه، به من لازم نیست. Thank you. رحمت or تشکر. رحمت. تشکر. Thank you. Rahmat or tashakkur. Thank you again. I really appreciate working with you. Bori digar tashakkur, man dar haqiqat bo shumo kor kardan ro qadr mekunam. Bori digar tashakkur, man dar haqiqat bo shumo kor kardan ro qadr mekunam. Goodbye. To didan. Khair. Goodbye. To didan or khair. We use both of them. So, goodbye, Nozanin. See you next week. Nozanin, it's a female name. Khair, Nozanin. Haftay oyanda vo mekhorim. Okay? Khair, Nozanin. Haftay oyanda vo mekhorim. Remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Khair. Salam. Hello, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this video series, we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 2. So today we'll learn 10 more new vocabulary words. Beautiful, zebo, khushru. Beautiful, zebo, khushru. Zebo, khushru. So it's the most beautiful place in the city. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. In joy zebotarini shahr ast. And we use zebo, khushru interchangeably. So when it comes to the person, we usually say odami khushru, beautiful person. And flower, for example, flower we say guli zebo. Okay, beautiful flower, guli zebo. Ugly, zisht, bezep. Zisht, bezep. Zisht, bezep. What an ugly behavior. In chichislati zisht. In chichislati zisht. Bad, bad, bad. So it sounds pretty much the same like in English. Bad news, said the guard. Khabari bad, guft postpone. Khabari bad, guft postpone. Good. Khub, naghs. Khub, naghs. Khub, naghs. We use both of them. So, you are expected to do a good job. Ashumo kori khub intizorand. Ashumo kori khub intizorand. Easy. Oson. 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 The rest was easy. Boqimonda oson bud. Boqimonda oson bud. Difficult. Mushkil. Dushvor. Mushkil. Dushvor. Mushkil and dushvor. We use both of them. I don't know, he said slowly. It's a difficult thing you ask. Namedonam, ohista guft ö. In jak chizi dushvoris ki shumo mepurset. Namedonam, ohista guft ö. In jak chizi dushvoris ki shumo mepurset. Small. Khurd. 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 The desk is too small for Shukrullo. Shukrullo is a male name. In mis baroy Shukrullo khele khurd ast. In mis baroy Shukrullo khele khurd ast. Big. Kalon. 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 Big girls don't cry. There's a famous song, Big Girls Don't Cry. In Tajik, Dukhtaroni kalon giriya namekunand. Dukhtaroni kalon giriya namekunand. Far. Dur. 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 Why did he live so far away from everything? Charo vai inqadar dur as hama chiz zindagi mekard. Charo vai inqadar dur as hama chiz zindagi mekard. Near. Nazdik. 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 People came from far and near to hear the famous violinist. Odamon az dur u nazdik baroy shunidani g'ijaknavozi mashhur meomadand. Odamon az dur u nazdik baroy shunidani g'ijaknavozi mashhur meomadand. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, the goal of this series is to help you to build the vocabulary words and also learn correct pronunciation of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Okay, see you guys next week. Khair. Salom, nomi man Hussein. خوش آمدید با Learning Tajik with Achilovs. این هفته سیوم. امروز با 10 کلمه نو یاد میگیریم. So, hi, my name is Hussein. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. And this is week 3. So today we'll learn 10 more new words. I am man hastam. I am man hastam. So I, man, and am hastam. But we don't really use hastam. It's optional. So let's look at the sentence. I am a student. Man donishjuyam. So because we have yam at the end, we don't need hastam. If you say man donishjuyam hastam, it doesn't make sense. So man donishjuyam is enough. Or if you want to say hastam, it will be man donishju hastam without yam. Yesterday. Dirus, dina. Dirus. Dirus and dina. Dina. We use both of them, dirus and dina. So, yesterday all my troubles seemed so far away. Dirus hamai in mushkilho ba nazar naminamudand. Dirus hamai in mushkilho ba nazar naminamudand. Today, imrus. 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 Today we are going to finish our homework. امروز ما وظیفه خانگی خود را انجام می‌دهیم. امروز ما وظیفه خانگی خود را انجام می‌دهیم. Tomorrow. پگاه. فردا. فردا. فردا and پگاه. پگاه. So don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. کار امروزه را به فردا مگذار. کار امروزه را به فردا مگذار. Morning. صبح. سحر. صبح. صبح and sahar. Sahar. So on Sunday mornings, I like to relax and read a book. صبح روز یکشنبه من استراحت کرده کتاب خواندن را دوست می‌دارم. صبح روز یکشنبه من استراحت کرده کتاب خواندن را دوست می‌دارم. Afternoon. نصف روزی. نصف روزی. نصف روزی. I am free this afternoon. من این نصف روزی آزادم. من این نصف روزی آزادم. Evening. بگاه. شام. بگاه and بگاهی. بگاه we use when we say, for example, like this evening in بگاه. And let me explain you بگاهی. So 7 p.m. So 7 o'clock in the evening, we say هفتی بگاهی. ساعت هفتی بگاهی. Okay? So you see, it's a bit different. So when it's specific, when you mention the time, you can say بگاهی. And we also use شام. شام and بگاه. And if it sounds too complicated, بگاه and بگاهی, you can just use شام. It's much easier. Enjoy your evening. از شام خود لذت برید. But to be honest, we don't really say that. We don't say از شام خود لذت برید. Usually we say like good night, like خواب خوش, but it's not that common to say از شام خود لذت برید. Night. شب. شب. We watched the basketball on TV last night. ما شبی گذشته در تلویزیون بسکتبال تماشا کردیم. ما شبی گذشته در تلویزیون بسکتبال تماشا کردیم. Day. روز. 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 Today was a fun day. امروز یک روز خوشحالی بود. امروز یک روز خوشحالی بود. Now. حاضر. 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 I wish you were here now. کاش تو حاضر در اینجا می بودی. کاش تو حاضر در اینجا می بودی. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. And you can find all of these words and sentences in a PDF file. And you can find the link to that PDF file in the description of this video. So, see you next week. تا دیدن. Salam. Hi there. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. And in this video series, we'll learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And this is week 4, Haftai Chor. So let's get started. Second, Sonia. 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 Bahramjon, can you hang back for a second? Bahramjon is a male name. Bahramjon, yak Sonia sabr karda metavoni? Bahramjon, yak Sonia sabr karda metavoni? Minute. Daqiqa. دقیقه. دقیقه. Can I talk to you for a minute? آیا من میتوانم با شما یک دقیقه صحبت کنم؟ آیا من میتوانم با شما یک دقیقه صحبت کنم؟ Hour. ساعت. 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 She exercises for a full hour every day. وی هر روز یک ساعت پوره مشق میکند. وی هر روز یک ساعت پوره مشق میکند. O'clock. ساعت. 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 I'll be back home by 10 o'clock. من تا ساعت 10 به خانه برمیگردم. من تا ساعت 10 به خانه برمیگردم. So you see hour and o'clock, we just say ساعت. So if it's 5 o'clock, for example, it's 5 o'clock, we say ساعت 5. So ساعت comes before the number. And if it's 5 hours, we say 5 ساعت. So in this case, ساعت comes after the number, after the 5. Month. ماه. 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 We go there once or twice a month. ما در یک ماه یک یا دو مرتبه با آنجا می رویم. ما در یک ماه یک یا دو مرتبه با آنجا می رویم. Year. سال. سال. So, our profits have more than doubled this year. Foydai mo imsol beshtar az 2 marotiba afzud. Foydai mo imsol beshtar az 2 marotiba afzud. And this year in Tajik we say imsol. Do. Kardan. Kardan. I never thought I could do it. Man hech go fikr namekardam ki in koro karda metavonam. Man hech go fikr namekardam ki in koro karda metavonam. Go. Raftan. Raftan. Where do you want to go? شما با کجا رفتن میخواهید؟ شما با کجا رفتن میخواهید؟ See. دیدن. Okay? دیدن. Do you want to see our garden? تو باغ ما را دیدن میخواهی؟ تو باغ ما را دیدن میخواهی؟ If you have noticed, in our previous example, you was شما, and in this example, you is to. So I think you already know that شما is for someone older or you're not familiar with, and to is maybe your classmate or your friend, your cousin. So it might be someone that you already know, you are very close. The verb didan is an infinitive verb, so that's why it might be different depending on the person or the time when that person is saying that. So man didam, vai did, shumo dided, you see it's different. And if you don't know this rule yet about the verbs in Tajik, you can watch our video, and the link to the video you can find in the description of this video. Laugh. Khanda. Khanda here is a noun, and if you want to use it as a verb, it will be khandidan. So a good laugh heals a lot of hurts. Khanda ba bisyor dardho shifo mebakshad. Khanda ba bisyor dardho shifo mebakshad. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next week. To haftaya oyanda. Hi. Hi there, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and you are watching 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we'll teach you 10 more new vocabulary words. This is week 5, Haftay Punch. So, let's go. Calendar. Taqvim. She circled her birthday in red on her calendar. Вай зодрӯзи худро дар тақвим бо ранги сурх ишорат кард. Вай зодрӯзи худро дар тақвим бо ранги сурх ишорат кард. Week. Hafta. I play tennis twice a week. Ман ҳафтаи 2 маротиба теннис бозӣ мекунам. You know, this is not the way how we would say it in the north part of Tajikistan. We would say something like man dar yak hafta. You see? Not haftay, but dar yak hafta. Weekend. Rӯзҳои истироҳат. The bank is closed on the weekend. Банк дар рӯзҳои истироҳат фаъолият намекунад. Monday. Dushanbe. The deadline is next Monday. Муҳлати ниҳоӣ рӯзи душанбеи оянда аст. And interesting fact, the capital of Tajikistan, it's also called Dushanbe, the same. Tuesday. Seshanbe. The show will be aired next Tuesday night. Namoyish шаби сешанбеи оянда баргузор мешавад. Wednesday. Chorshanbe. According to the calendar, my birthday falls on Wednesday this year. Тибқи тақвим, зодрӯзи ман имсол ба рӯзи чоршанбе рост меояд. Thursday. Panjshanbe. My sister was at home on Thursday. خوهر من روز پنجشنبه در خانه بود. In Khujand, we have a market which is called Panjshanbe, just like Thursday. And I would highly recommend you to visit that place. That's a huge market, and I'm sure you will like it. Friday. Jum'ah. Saidolim will arrive on Friday morning. Saidolim subhi jum'a meoyad. And Saidolim is a male name and also my father's name. Saturday. Shanbe. Let's meet next Saturday. Biyo shanbe oyanda vo mekhorim. Biyo shanbe oyanda vo mekhorim. And biyo here is like to, like you, if someone is younger or maybe your friend. If it's shumo, someone older, you would say biyo yet, okay? Not biyo, but biyo yet. And we have a video about the personal pronouns in Tajik. You can find the link down below. Sunday, yakshanbe. Yakshanbe, yakshanbe. We all went for a picnic last Sunday. Hamamon rozi yakshanbe guzashta ba sayru gasht raftim. Hamamon rozi yakshanbe guzashta ba sayru gasht raftim. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and leaving us comments. So, see you next week. To haftay oyanda. Khair. Salam doston, hi friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and this is week 6 of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. Water. Ob. I need some water. Baman kamtar ob lozimast. Baman kamtar ob lozimast. Tea. Choy. 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 Make yourself a cup of hot tea. Барои худатон як пиёла чой гарм тайёр кунед. Барои худатон як пиёла чой гарм тайёр кунед. And I said худаton in this example, so худаton is for shumo, and барои худат, if I say барои худат як пиёла чой гарм тайёр кун, it's for two. Coffee, qahva, qahva, qahva. I prefer coffee in the morning. Ман нӯшидани қаҳваро дар пагоҳи рӯзӣ афзалтар медонам. Ман нӯшидани қаҳваро дар пагоҳи рӯзӣ афзалтар медонам. Beer, obi jav. Obi jav, or most people say piva. Piva is a Russian word, so obi jav is not that common. So, I owe you a beer. Ман ба ту як оби ҷав қарз дорам. Or the common way would be ман ба ту як пива қарз дорам. Yeah. Wine, sharob. Sharob, sharob. We are out of wine. Shaробamon tamom shud. Sharobamon tamom shud. Beef, goshti gov. Goshti gov. Goshti gov. Gosht is meat and go is a cow. So it's like cow's meat. Nowadays beef is expensive. Goshti gov imrozho qimmat ast. Goshti gov imrozho qimmat ast. Chicken, goshti murgh. Goshti murgh. Goshti murgh. Which do you like better? Chicken or fish? Кадомаш ба шумо маъқултар аст? Гӯшти мурғ ё моҳӣ? Кадомаш ба шумо маъқултар аст? Гӯшти мурғ ё моҳӣ? Pork, гӯшти хук. Гӯшти хук. Гӯшти хук. And huk is a pig. So in Tajikistan, Tajiks, they don't eat pork, but there are some Russians and other foreigners, they eat pork. And to be honest, I've never seen pork in the market. Farukh can't eat pork. Farukh is a male name. So Farukh goshti huk khorida nametavonad. Farukh goshti huk khorida nametavonad. Mutton, goshti gosfand. Goshti gosfand. Goshti gosfand. In Tajikistan, most people eat mutton and beef. дар Тоҷикистон одамон бештар гӯшти гӯсфанду гов мехӯранд. Дар Тоҷикистон одамон бештар гӯшти гӯсфанду гов мехӯранд. Fish, mohi. 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 This fish is delicious. In mohi bolazat ast. In mohi bolazat ast. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys next week. Khair. Salam, hi there, my name is Hussein. You are watching our video series about 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 7. Employee, korgar. Korgar, korgar. And kor means a job. So, he is an employee of Eskhata Bank. Vai korgari bonki Eskhata meboshad. Vai korgari bonki Eskhata meboshad. And Eskhata Bank is one of the most popular banks in Tajikistan. Teacher, Muallim, muallima. Muallim, muallim. So muallim is a male and muallima and then a is a female. So the teacher collected the papers. Muallim qog'ozhoro jam kard. Muallim qog'ozhoro jam kard. You might hear people saying omuzgor. So omuzgor is also a teacher. Muallim is just from Arabic. آموزگار and معلم, they are the same. Salesman, فروشنده, فروشنده, فروشنده. Is he a good salesman? آیا وی فروشنده خوب است؟ آیا وی فروشنده خوب است؟ Manager, manager or راهبر. Manager, manager and راهبر, راهبر. So I've spoken to the manager about it. من در این باره با راهبر صحبت کردم. من در این باره با راهبر صحبت کردم. Cook, آشپز. آشپز, آشپز. So she's an exceptionally good cook. وی آشپزی بی‌نهایت خوب است. وی آشپزی بی‌نهایت خوب است. Engineer, مهندس. مهندس, مهندس. You need the advice of a qualified engineer. با شما مصلحت مهندسی صاحب تجربه لازم است. با شما مصلحت مهندسی صاحب تجربه لازم است. Programmer, برنامه‌ساز. برنامه‌ساز, برنامه‌ساز. You can earn good money as a computer programmer. شما میتوانید همچون برنامه‌سازی کامپیوتری پول خوب به دست آورید. شما میتوانید همچون برنامه‌سازی کامپیوتری پول خوب به دست آورید. The word computer in Tajik is royona, but it's still not that common yet. People still use computer instead of royona. Doctor, دکتر, دکتر, دکتر. The doctor forbids him to smoke. دکتر با او تماکو کشی را منع میکند. دکتر با او تماکو کشی را منع میکند. Nurse, همشیره طبی. همشیره طبی, همشیره طبی. That nurse is very kind and polite. آن همشیره طبی خیلی مهربان و خوشمعامله است. آن همشیره طبی خیلی مهربان و خوشمعامله است. میلیسا, کارمند پلیس. میلیسا. میلیسا and کارمند پلیس. کارمند police is more formal. People usually use میلیسا. So, how did you become a police officer? چطور شما کارمند پلیس شدید؟ چطور شما کارمند پلیس شدید؟ تمام. That's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next week. خیر. Hi friends, salam doston. My name is Hussein. You are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 8. So, let's get started. Body, badan. Badan, badan. Every muscle in his body was sore. هر یک مشک‌های بدنش درد می‌کرد. هر یک مشک‌های بدنش درد می‌کرد. Head, سر. 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 So, he fell asleep as soon as his head touched the pillow. همین که سرش به بالش رسید، خوابش برد. همین که سرش به بالش رسید، خوابش برد. Hand, dust. 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 So, he was holding a pen in his hand. او در دستش قلم داشت. او در دستش قلم داشت. Finger, انگشت. 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 I burned my finger. من انگشتم رو سوزاندم. من انگشتم رو سوزاندم. And in the north we say leylak instead of angusht. So it will sound something like man leylakam ro sözondam. Belly, shikam. Shikam, shikam. He had a big belly. Vai shikami kalon dosht. Vai shikami kalon dosht. Okay, another thing, in the north part we say ishkam instead of shikam. Leg, po. Or poi. Po or poi. So you can use both of them. And I need to stretch my legs. Man boyad poihoyam ro daroz kunam. Man boyad poihoyam ro daroz kunam. Eye, chasham. 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 And two eyes will be chashmon. Some people say chasham ho. Okay, you've got beautiful eyes. شما چشمانی زیبا دارید. شما چشمانی زیبا دارید. Ear, گوش. 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 So, a rabbit has long ears. خرگوش گوش‌های دراز دارد. خرگوش گوش‌های دراز دارد. Nose, Bini. 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 My grandfather had a big nose. Boboyman bini kalon dosht. Boboyman bini kalon dosht. Mouth. Dahon. 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 Some people say dahan, so you can use both of them. Dahon or dahan. So, open your mouth. Dahonatro kusho. Dahonatro kusho. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So, see you guys in the next video. Hi. Salam, hi, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. I'm Hussein and this is week 9. So our first word is weather. Obu havo. Obu havo. Obu havo. How is the weather? Havo chikhel ast. Havo chikhel ast. Degree. Daraja. 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 Yesterday the temperature was about 25 degrees Celsius. Dirus harorat taqriban 25 daraja garm bud. Dirus harorat taqriban 25 daraja garm bud. And in Tajikistan we use Celsius. Cloudy. Aburnok. 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 Abr is a cloud and aburnok is cloudy. So it was cloudy when we woke up. Вақте ки мо бедор шудем, ҳаво абрнок буд. Вақте ки мо бедор шудем, ҳаво абрнок буд. Sunny. Oftobi. 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 If it's sunny tomorrow, we will go to the beach. Agar пагоҳ офтобӣ бошад, мо ба соҳил меравем. Agar пагоҳ офтобӣ бошад, мо ба соҳил меравем. And you may also hear people saying pляж. Pляж and sohil, they are the same. But pляж is a Russian word. And I think it's more common in Khujand. Rainy. Boroni. 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 Boron is rain. So, because it's rainy today, the trip is cancelled. Азбаски имрӯз ҳавои боронӣ мебошад, сафар манъ шудааст. Азбаски имрӯз ҳавои боронӣ мебошад, сафар манъ шудааст. And boroni, I would say it's not that common. People usually use it as a verb, like it is raining. Борон борида истодааст, or it will rain. It will be raining. Борон меборад. Snowy. Barfi. 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 He was dressed for the cold, snowy night. Ӯ барои шаби сарду барфӣ либос пӯшида буд. Ӯ барои шаби сарду барфӣ либос пӯшида буд. Cool. Хунук. 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 Fall is coming and the weather is getting cooler and cooler. Тирамоҳ омада истодааст ва ҳаво то рафт хунуктар мешавад. Тирамоҳ омада истодааст ва ҳаво то рафт хунуктар мешавад. Khunuk is more like a cold than cool. So in Khujand, in the north part of Tajikistan, we usually say salqin instead of khunuk. Khunuk is when it's cold. Warm. Garm. 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 The weather is warm and sunny today. Imruz havo garm va oftobist. Imruz havo garm va oftobist. And instead of oftobist, you can also say oftobiast. It's the same. Cold. Sard. 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 But we usually say khunuk. Khunuk instead of sard. So the weather will stay cold until spring. Havo to bahor sard memonad. Havo to bahor sard memonad. Hot. Garm. 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 Just like warm. Garm. So they had to accustom themselves to the hot weather. آنها مجبور شدند که به هوای گرم عادت کنند. آنها مجبور شدند که به هوای گرم عادت کنند. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hi friends. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and this is week 10. So congratulations, you made it so far. So our first word is baby. Kodak. 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 You were such a beautiful baby. شما کودکی زیبا بودید. شما کودکی زیبا بودید. Child. فرزند. 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 She bought a toy for her child. Вай барои фарзандаш бозича харид. Вай барои фарзандаш бозича харид. Girl. Духтар. 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 The girl singing over there is my sister. دختری که در آنجا سرود میخواند خواهر من است. دختری که در آنجا سرود میخواند خواهر من است. Boy. پسر. 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 Do you know that boy? شما آن پسر رو میشناسید. شما آن پسر رو میشناسید. Woman. زن. 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 So Zarina is a married woman. Zarina زنی شوهردار است. Zarina زنی شوهردار است. And zan has another meaning as well, a wife. So my wife will be زنی man. Man. مرد. 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 He is a tall man with a beard. So او مردی قامت بلندی ریشدار است. او مردی قامت بلندی ریشدار است. Friend. دوست or آشنا. دوست or آشنا. آشنا is more common here. So he's an old friend of mine. وای دوستی دیرینه من است. وای دوستی دیرینه من است. Girlfriend. عاشق or دوست داشته. عاشق. عاشق or دوست داشته. دوست داشته. So my girlfriend doesn't like watching movies. دوست داشته من تماشای فیلم ها را دوست نمی دارد. دوست داشته من تماشای فیلم ها را دوست نمی دارد. Boyfriend. عاشق. دوست داشته. The same like a girlfriend, عاشق or دوست داشته. So Manija seems to have a new boyfriend. چنین به نظر می رسد که منیژه دوست داشته نو دارد. چنین به نظر می رسد که منیژه دوست داشته نو دارد. If چنین به نظر می رسد is too long, you can use احتمال. The meaning is the same. احتمال منیژه دوست داشته نو دارد. Adult or adult. کلان سال. کلان سال. کلان سال. Sometimes adults behave like children. بعضاً کلانسالان مثل کودکان رفتار میکنند. بعضاً کلانسالان مثل کودکان رفتار میکنند. Usually when we use this word کلانسال, we talk about elderly people, people who are like 70 or 60 years old and above. And but if you go to the museum, for example, for kids the price like $5 and for adults $10. So there you will see like барои калонсолон for adults $10. Something like that. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So see you in the next video. Hi.